In April of 2029, the asteroid Apophis will make one of the closest approaches to Earth ever recorded for an object of its size. Measuring about 340 meters across, this giant space rock will pass just 31,000 kilometers from Earth, closer than many of our communication satellites. For observers on the ground, Apophis will briefly become visible to the naked eye, appearing as a point of light moving across the night sky. When it was first discovered in 2004, Apophis alarmed scientists because early calculations suggested a small chance it could strike Earth in 2029. While later measurements ruled out a collision, the flyby still represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study an asteroid of this scale up close. Scientists will track its exact orbit, analyze its spin and shape, and even test theories about how gravity from Earth can alter an asteroid's path as it passes by. This close approach is more than just a curiosity. It will serve as a real-world test of planetary defense, the strategies and technologies we are developing to detect, monitor, and eventually deflect hazardous asteroids. NASA and international partners are even considering spacecraft missions to study Apophis directly, turning this encounter into a historic science campaign. Apophis is also a teaching moment for the public. For many people, it will be the first time they can look into the night sky and actually see a near-Earth asteroid with their own eyes. That experience can inspire future scientists, while reminding everyone that our planet is not isolated, but part of a dynamic and sometimes dangerous cosmic environment. Although Apophis will not hit Earth in 2029, the event is a reminder that our planet lives in a solar system filled with wandering rocks. Understanding Apophis helps us prepare for the day when an asteroid truly is on a collision course, and shows how science can give us the tools to protect our home world. True or false? When first discovered, Apophis was never thought to pose any threat to Earth. False. In 2004, early calculations suggested a small chance of impact in 2029 before later observations ruled it out. How large is asteroid Apophis? About 340 meters across. Fill in the blank. Apophis will pass Earth at a distance of about blank kilometers. – 31,000 kilometers. Fill in the blank. The asteroid was first discovered in the year blank. In the year 2004. Which year will Apophis make its historic close flyby? – 2029. If Apophis travels 31,000 kilometers past Earth at an average speed of 30 kilometers per second, how long will it take to cover that distance? To calculate the time, we start with the distance Apophis travels, which is 31,000 kilometers. We need to convert that into meters by multiplying by 1,000, giving us 31 million meters. Next, we take the asteroid's speed of 30 kilometers per second, and again convert by multiplying by 1000, which equals 30,000 meters per second. Now, apply the formula. Time equals distance divided by speed. Divide 31 million meters by 30,000 meters per second. That comes out to 1033 seconds. Finally, convert seconds into minutes by dividing by 60, which is about 17 minutes. That means Apophis would take roughly 17 minutes to cover that distance at flyby speed. True or false? Apophis will pass Earth in 2029 at a distance closer than many satellites. True. Fill in the blank. During its flyby, Apophis will be visible without a blank. Telescope. What will scientists study during the 2029 encounter? Apophis's shape, spin, and orbit. Fill in the blank. Apophis is classified as a near blank asteroid. A near-Earth asteroid. True or false? Apophis will be visible to the naked eye from Earth during its 2029 flyby. True. If Apophis travels at 30 kilometers per second for 2 hours, how far does it go? To calculate distance, we use the formula. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. Start with the speed of Apophis, 30 kilometers per second. Convert that to meters by multiplying by 1000, giving 30,000 meters per second. Next, take the time of travel, 2 hours, and convert it into seconds. Since 1 hour has 3,600 seconds, 2 hours equals 7,200 seconds. Now multiply speed by time. 30 kilometers per second times 7,200 seconds. That equals 216,000 kilometers. In other words, in just 2 hours, Apophis would travel about half the distance between Earth and the Moon. Why is Apophis important for planetary defense? Its close pass provides a test case for tracking dangerous asteroids. Fill in the blank. NASA and international partners may send blank to study Apophis directly. Spacecraft or probes. If Apophis travels 384,000 kilometers, the distance to the Moon, in 10.7 hours, what is its average speed? To calculate speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Start with the total distance, 384,000 kilometers. That's about the same as the average distance from Earth to the Moon. The time given is 10.7 hours. Now divide the distance by the time, 384,000 divided by 10.7. The result is about 35,887, which we can round to 35,900 kilometers per hour. That means if Apophis traveled the distance between Earth and the Moon in just 10.7 hours, it would be moving at nearly 36,000 kilometers per hour. A speed fast enough to circle Earth almost once every hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. See you next time, brainy friends.